Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 4 main types of housing in Finland. Omakotitalo, Paritalo, Rivitalo and Kerrostalo. I will explain what each of them looks like. But before that, let's look at basic housing terms. Let's get started. Housing vocabulary. Asunto, sanasto. Talo, house. Asunto, apartment. Koti, home. Kiinteisto, property. Vuokra asunto, rental apartment. Omaisuus, property. Piha, yard. Autotalli, garage. Terassi, terrace. Takapiha, backyard. Keittiö, kitchen. Olohuone, living room. Makuhuone, bedroom. Kylpyhuone, bathroom. Vese, toilet. Eteinen, entrance. Kellari, basement. Veranda, porch. Parveke, balcony. Sauna, yksiö, one-room apartment. Types of housing in Finland. Asuntotyypit Suomessa. Omakotitalo, detached house. Paritalo, semi-detached house. Rivitalo, row house. Kerrostalo, apartment building. Omakotitalo. An Omakotitalo is a detached house, also called a single family home. It is one of the most popular housing types in Finland, especially in the suburban and rural areas. It offers complete privacy from neighbors. It has more land and space, and you can grow flowers and vegetables in your own yard. It has a private yard, Oma Piha. Almost every Finnish detached house has a sauna. It's an important part of Finnish culture. Many detached houses have a garage where you can keep your car warm in winter. The statement Omakotitalo on erillinen talo, jossa asuu yksi perhe. Se on suosittu asumismuoto Suomessa. It means a detached house is a separate home where one family lives. It's a popular housing type in Finland. Now let's talk about Paritalo, a semi-detached house. A semi-detached house is a two-part house where two families live side by side. A semi-detached house is cheaper than a detached house, but it offers more space than a row house. Often, a semi-detached house has its own yard and a separate entrance. In a detached house, there is a private yard, private house, and more space. But in a semi-detached house, it is more affordable and allows two families to share the building. The statement Paritalo on kaksiosainen talo, jossa kaksi perhettä asuvat vierekkäin, mutta molemmilla on oma sisäänkäynti ja piha. It means a semi-detached house is a two-part house where two families live side by side, but each has its own entrance and yard. Now let's talk about Rivitalo, row house. Rivitalo on talotyyppi, jossa useat kodit ovat vierekkäin, mutta jokaisella on oma sisäänkäynti ja pieni piha. It means A row house is a type of house where multiple homes are next to each other, but each has its own entrance and small yard. Often, a row house has its own sauna. Rivitalo is a great option if you want to live in a community style setting with multiple neighbors, share some outdoor spaces, and enjoy a more affordable house with some private areas. Kerrostalo, an apartment building. Kerrostalo on monikerroksinen rakennus, jossa on useita asuntoja. It means an apartment building is a multi-story building with many apartments. It generally consists of multiple floors and elevator, hissi, and balcony, Parveke. An apartment building can have small or large apartments. Yksiö, studio apartment with one room, kitchen and bathroom. Kaksio, two-room apartment, living room, bedroom and kitchen. Kolmio, three-room apartment, living room, two bedrooms and kitchen. If you are enjoying this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.